do not just blame solar. The reason why most people complain about solar is not the solar installation, but it's the mass in it. Most solar installer just guess the size of solar price. So I'll be showing you how to calculate this, because without calculation, this might make you have a bad size and you might complain later in the future. Step 1 is to list every appliances you want to power. For example, 6 LED bulb, 10 watts each, 2 fan, 75 watts each, 1 TV, 100 watts. You must write the wattage of each appliance. If you do not know the wattage, check the label behind the appliance. Remember, if you skip this step or made any mistake in this step, then all other steps will be wrong. Now we calculate daily energy use. The formula is simple. Watt times hour use divided by 1000 equals kilo hours. Let's calculate one example. 6 bulb times 10 watts equals 60 watts. If used for 5 hours, 60 times 5 equals 300 watt hours. Divide by 1000 equals 0.3 kilo hours. Do this for every appliances, then add everything together. Let's assume the total daily hour energy is 5 kilo hours per day. Now we size the solar panel. If your house needs 5 kilo hours per day and your location gets about 5 peak sun hours daily, you divide 5 kilo hours divided by 5 hours equals 1 kilowatt solar area. That means you need about 1000 watts of panel. But we add 20% extra for loss. So realistically, you need around 1.2 kilowatts of solar panel. Without this calculation, installer just guess and keep on guessing. So that's why you have a wrong solar size and have complaint later in the future. Now battery sizing. If you need 5 kilo hours per day and you want 1 day backup, you need about 5 kilo hours battery capacity. If using a 48 volt system, battery amps equals 5000 divided by 48. That is equals 104 amps usable capacity. But because battery should not be fully drained, your size should be higher, maybe 150 amps or more, depend on battery type. This is why most people battery die early, because their battery is undersized. Never calculate for today alone. Maybe next year you will add another fridge, another freezer, more electronic. Always add 30 to 20% extra capacity. Most unreliable solar systems in Nigeria are not bad products, they are bad calculation. When numbers are wrong, batteries suffer, inverter overload, light become unstable. Calculation protects your money. Before buying solar panel, calculate your load. Number first, panel second. That is how smart household avoid wasting money. If this helped you a lot, then please subscribe.